what I'm filming is through my kitchen window, and if you look down to the right of the table where I have my 2 Tucker totes, now I'm going up a bit, there's a blue jay in the tree. I don't know whether you can see him or not. Anyhow, what I'm looking at is all the birds down there in that seedling or seed tray that are getting a bath. So in the summertime, if you can't afford a bird bath, because they are kind of expensive, all the birds just flew up in the tree. Just lay out something flat and shallow so the birds can get a drink. And over here, that white wastebasket, the handles, the blue jay sits on and gets a drink. And last night I forgot to fill that up. And those 2 Tucker totes are what I use for my orchids. You can see a couple in the light blue ones soaking in the nutrient solution. I use dehumidifier water in both, and the one on the left I rinse and flush the media, which is orchid bark, and then I soak them in the right hand Tucker tote in the nutrient solution, which has Epsom salts, seaweed emulsion, CalMag, and micronutrients in. Let's see, and some kind of orchid fertilizer that's not full strength, and I fertilize them about once a week. So something scared the birds away, so I'm going to pause this. But if you look in the back, those bush, oh, there's one of the little birds. Where'd it go to? I guess they've been eating bugs on my plants out there. But those bushes out there, I think, I don't know what kind, they're straight up bushes. The birds hide in there during the winter for shelter, and I think some of them nest there. If you want to see where my succulents are outside my kitchen window, this is what I look at when I'm doing the dishes. And there's one of my gardenia trees. I think they need repotted. They didn't bloom very well this year. Or it might have been from the dry air. And there you can see my hanging baskets. And that coleus grew from seed, that big green one on top. And you can see my Hawaiian spider plant. So maybe I scared the birds away because nobody else is out there. So anyhow, my friends, take care, click like, and whoever is clicking the thumbs down button, you're like the first one to watch a video every time I post. Why don't you let me know what you don't like? And if you don't like, you don't have to watch every time I post. Tee-hee. So anyhow, I love you guys. You're the reason I get up in the morning anymore. So I have a doctor's appointment, so I gotta get out of here. Take care, my plant friends, and do something nice for someone, even if it's just, oh, your hair looks pretty, or that color looks good on you. Or just click the like button or the thumbs up button before you watch a video so you don't forget. So anyhow, take care, my plant friends. God bless. And take care of yourself, most important of all. Because if we don't take care of ourselves, no one else will.